Hey guys, we have orange slime and green slime. And guess what? I'm doing a video in my socks. Let's get started. Okay, I have green slime. Oh my goodness, okay. This is so nice. I can't believe it. It's the best. Oh my goodness. The stuff is really sticky, but it's not as sticky. I don't like it. I don't like it. But it's so squishy. Slime. Your slime is squishy. Okay, I'm going to put this one to a side. I'm going to put this one to a side. Sorry for about the two ands, just ignore the first one. And I have this in a giant pen. This one is this is from the previous video. This giant pen. So yeah. So I have this giant pen. So I have this giant pen. From the previous video, a giant pen. How is this? I'm just gonna mix this with this giant pen. It's getting stuck on the pen, but okay, this is also pretty nice. There's even this slime at the top. It's one of my sister's friends' slime. It's right there. It's right there. You can see it. You can see it there. See the pink stuff? Yeah, that's my sister's friend. Yeah, so that's my sister's friend slime. So I think we're not gonna end the video yet. What the frick?